That's exactly what we see. It's a big difference with the iPhone 13 pulling another 4 points ahead, improving its total lead to 8 points. And that lead is likely to only grow here in YouTube, where in addition to the screens being calibrated to 200 nits and playing back these videos, the speakers are also calibrated to the same decibel counts, which in theory should drain the smaller battery on the Mini faster since it has the same workload. And 1 hour later, the Mini does worse once again, dropping by 13 points compared to the 10-point drop on the regular iPhone 13. So, not the best performance for the Mini in the last few tests in a row. It's now behind by double digits, and after an hour of gaming in Alto's Adventure, it doesn't get any better for the Mini, with it falling behind by another 3 percentage points. But it's important to note here that while the 13 Mini's battery doesn't look the best compared to the regular iPhone 13 here, when you compare it to last year's iPhone 12 Mini, it's a huge improvement, where last year's iPhone 12 Mini died just 40 minutes into this maps test, while the 13 Mini still has 13% remaining. Enough for the Mini to finish the maps test with 10% still left to go, which, while a big improvement over last year's 12 Mini, it doesn't come close to the regular iPhone 13, with the 13 Mini dying just 30 minutes into the Spotify test, while the regular iPhone 13 still has a healthy 17% remaining. So that's enough to last the iPhone 13. So there you have it. The iPhone 13 wins by a big margin of 17 points, which, to put that into perspective, based off the numbers from this test, that's enough to last the iPhone 13 up to an additional 2 hours and 25 minutes of Instagram, or 2 hours and 7 minutes in messaging. But of course, not all usage is equal, with that 17% being enough for the regular iPhone 13 to finish the last 30 minutes in Spotify with 12%, and that 12% lasting for 42 minutes